Hey there. So I thought I would share this with you guys out on the web. Hopefully someone will find this helpful. Don't really use Dreamweaver a whole lot anymore for a bunch of different reasons, but I just found a feature on it that might save you a lot of time. This is just some quick style cleanup. So here's the problem. Basically, at some point or another, you run into some word code or some sort of strange output from another program or another coder that has a lot of crazy styles and margins and all this good stuff declared on the content, um, all to get something normal looking like this. But um, in the past, what I would have to do is go through and either do a find and replace with a regular expression, or look through the styles and try to go by hand and delete these styles one by one. Obviously pretty time consuming. But here's the trick I just found, and it's making me pretty happy. So first thing I do is I'm just going to apply source formatting here, so that this just looks a little bit more readable. But then if I go to edit, find and replace, and then the normal setting is this source code, search current document, and then or find in current document and search source code. So this is probably what you're normally used to. Find something and replace it with something. You can use regular expressions. But I just ran across this specific tag option, which is great because for one thing, you can remove all of a certain type of tag. So span tags are usually styling. So if you wanted to, you could remove that. What I want to do, the first thing that I tried, which is what I think I'm going to do from now on, is search any tag and then remove the attribute of style from any tag. So you'll see what I have before. This div with a bunch of style with a bunch of CSS declarations declared inline. But then if I do replace all, you'll see what happens. I end up with a very much more clean piece of code, which is great. And then if I wanted to go through again and then look for all span tags, and instead of removing an attribute down here, I can just let's see, strip tag. So let's see, I have a span here, and here I go, replace all, and now all of my span tags are gone. And so I end up with a nice, much cleaner piece of code that is a lot easier to work with from there. So hope that helps somebody.